What's going on, guys, and welcome to Drop Top Performance. In today's video we are going to be doing a review unboxing video on the Chemical Guys Convertible Top Cleaner, Preventive Sealer, and Brush. So I have been in, if this is your first time watching, I've been in Germany for the last 2 years while my car has been sitting at my grandparents' house in Memphis. I just recently got a top done, and I don't want to waste the $850 that I spent on a brand new top and have it ruined by things like storms and trees. And if you can tell, it's a little dirty. So what I'm planning on doing is, hopefully, I did as much research as I could to find a product that will not only clean the top but also seal it to where it'll I don't have to worry about it getting stained. I did a bunch of research. I couldn't find anything. Usually I use Adams. I'm an Adams guy, I gotta admit. So I'm a little nervous about using the Chemical Guys. I've heard really good things. They do a really good job of marketing. So let's go ahead, and that's enough for me talking. So let's open this box up and see what all comes in it, because I am interested. Alright guys, so this is the box. I ordered this, I believe it was yesterday. And it got here this morning, or excuse me, the day before yesterday. So I already cut open the box so you wouldn't have to see me fiddle around trying to open it up. Looks like it comes with some microfiber towels, which I don't really need for the top, because it's three microfiber rags. Don't really need those for the top, but you know, it doesn't hurt to always have some microfiber rags. Alright guys, and so underneath the microfiber rags, it looks like you have two bottles. The first one is the Convertible Top Protectant. This is what seals the convertible top, the cloth. So it says UV protection and stain blocker. So I'm hoping what I gain out of this is to kind of, well, protect it for one, and then keep it from getting stained, because there are, you know, trees everywhere, and you know, Florida stays pretty sunny all year round and pretty hot. So if we can protect the top as long as possible, that would be awesome. What else you have in here is, I believe this is probably going to be the cleaner. Convertible Top Cleaner, yes. And stain remover, yeah, we're going to see about that. And then surface cleanser. Cleanser. Definitely cleanser. Same. So you got those two, and then apparently this comes with a brush. Let's see. Yep. So it comes with the brush. It's like a horsehair brush or whatever. I don't know. Looks like it's got a little warning. Let's see if we can't focus in on that. This product can expose you to nickel, a chemical known to the state of California to cause cancer. For more information, go to www.don'tcare.com. Be careful using this because it contains nickel. Whatever that means. So I'm not going to make you guys watch me unwrap all this stuff. I am going to go ahead and probably take my lint roller across it, because there is quite a few like fuzz balls, like you can see right here, and then just like this little stuff that has come on from this tree and the wind, and you know. So the convertible top is new. However, the back window was replaced about probably 7 years ago, so it's still pretty dirty, but there's no need to replace it when it's still fairly new. That would have been like another $400, so no thank you. Alright guys, so the lint roller actually wasn't doing that good of a job, so I decided to see if I couldn't use this. Now I did a little bit here with just this, and it works pretty daggum good. I don't know if you can see the line right there. So I figure I'll go ahead and show you here. So I'm just kind of sweeping it, and it seems to be doing the job. It does leave some like hair right here that you can see. I'm going to go ahead and pick that off once it comes down time to it, but it works better than the lint roller. So what I'll probably do is I'll use this to sweep all the stuff off, and then use the lint roller to pick up all the horsehair. So I had the right tools, just in the wrong order. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing finished, get all this stuff off of it, so that I can have a nice pretty top again, because this was expensive. Of course, guys, right when I go to spray, the wind starts to pick up a little bit. And not only is it going to take my spray and just all over the place, but it's also throwing leaves onto the top. Sick. So I'll go ahead and start by sealing this thing. Alright guys, so the first coat has been applied and I'm going to let it wait for about 20 minutes. Word of caution. Now I want you to think about what this is. This is all going to be on you. If you don't want to use a respirator or any type of mask, that's on you. I would suggest it. You got to think what this is. This is a repellent. So it's going to help repel the moisture, and I don't want to be breathing that in. I don't want any of them chemicals in my lungs because that just seems like a world of trouble. So just food for thought, guys. So make sure you think about that before you start spraying this, especially if you're in a windy little area like I am where wind's coming in all directions, and as soon as you spray that stuff down, it's going right in your face. So we'll give it 20 minutes and we'll be right back out to do a second coat and see how it works. Alright guys, so it's been 20 minutes. The second coat has been applied. It's still wet right now, and I don't see it drying in the next 5 to 10 seconds, so it doesn't look like you guys are going to be able to see it until after it all dries and I get to come back out here and test it. I guess the only way to test it is to actually put some water on it, which I guess I'll have to do. So I will keep you updated, and as soon as I can, I will be out here once this all dries, and we will go ahead and test this theory to see if it actually repels or it doesn't work at all. Alright guys, so we ran out of daylight, but with my lovely assistant and pregnant wife Megan here, she's gonna hold the light so you guys can see. I kind of tested it up over there, but this is after it's been all dry. See what happens with it. You can see it beads right off. I mean, there's a little here, but I'm sure if I blew on it, no pun intended, I could get it off. So I mean, it works pretty daggum good. I mean, for being like 40 bucks for all of that, I'm not gonna complain. But I look forward to using this product. They say that it works for 6 months or so. I don't see that happening. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated, but I think it'll be good for about a month, maybe 2, and then we can reevaluate it. Alright guys, so update time. It's been about 10 days since I applied the top protectant stuff. I've got some water and we're going to go ahead and test this stuff out. Don't mind the top, it is dirty. Like I said, it's been 10 days and it's been kind of nasty here. So I'm going to spin you guys around and see what it does off the top. So if you can tell, it definitely does its job for the most part. I mean, it's gonna bubble there right now only because it's just sitting there. But if I like, boom, oh, it works. All right, guys. Hopefully, if you have a convertible like me, and yes, men drive convertibles too. Real men drive convertibles. And if you want to argue with me, go down in the comments and say your piece, because I'm a real man and I drive a convertible. Anyways, guys, so it does work for the price and everything that comes with. I think it's a pretty good deal, especially since right now we have not closed on the house, so I don't have a garage to put the car in. So it's much better than just keeping it out in the rain and letting just everything get onto it and soak it, and that's kind of something I was worried about. But guys, I hope this video helped you guys out as far as trying to find a product, because I just lucked out with finding it. But thanks for watching, guys, and as always, take care. Catch you later.